Hi guys, this is Tammy. Let me show you in 10 minutes. I'm going to complete the online package for SBA.gov to apply $10,000 free. It's called Economic Injury Disaster Loan. It's actually first come, first serve, and it's forgivable. The key part is it's forgivable, so $10,000 free if you apply for it, whether or not you get approved for it. So $10,000, once you apply, you will get it. It's first come, first serve, so do it today, number one. And if you get more than $10,000, which can get up $10 million, that might require some other thing, but just apply so you can get $10,000 for free. All right, let's start it here. Go back to the SBA.gov. You, again, click on the top part right here to apply. It has step-by-step. You can read, quickly over here, but let me show you a very quick way you just, streamline through it. If you're a business, small business, it's less than 500 employee, S Corp, for example, you can click here. If you are sole proprietors and you have not established your business, LLC, S Corp, then you belong to this part right here. So I am applying as one of small business construction company, for example. So I'm here. Review and check all of the following. So you basically, pretty much check in here because none of them is applicable for you. For example, you are not engaged in any illegal activities, and you're not lobbying. Continue. Okay. Over here, really just business basic information, and you should know, your business legal name. You file your tax return, so you already have your tax return. Pull it up, and you will pretty much have everything in there. I have here like a test tax return. Of course, the business company, the business name is here, the address is here. You need the EIN number, and usually people forget about the date they incorporated or start the company. You need this number right here, so I already highlight that. So you basically fill it in, ABC, construction. Remember, this is your legal name, and your trade name could be as your DBA name or however your company go by. EIN number, again, in your tax return, page number 1, EIN number right here. So type it in. Organization type, so you select what type your organization would be, because I clicked earlier the business, so I would say either C Corp, S Corp. For us, it's S Corp. Are you a nonprofit or not? Franchise or not? Okay. Gross revenue, 12 months prior to this date. I would say that's the 12 months. So that's when the book come in place, where your P&L, you pull out your book. Could be QuickBooks, the desktop or online. Pull it out, do the 12-month period, and put your total gross revenue in here. For example, total gross revenue could be 1.5 mil. Okay, cost of goods sold. Okay, again, this is where you need your book. Cost of goods sold for construction would be any direct cost. Material for the job, subcontractor for the job. Anything that direct cost will be for the job would be cost of goods sold. So I would say 8,000 estimate. I'm just using like a sample company here, but you should have your book already done for you. Bookkeeper should already done a monthly reconciliations and come out with the P&L completed for you already. So you can basically ask your bookkeeper for that. Rental properties, whether or not you apply to here, then you can. Then your business is applicable for this. You fill it out. Anything that I have a star, it's a require, but the rest are just kind of filling in basic information. So list of security, social service, faith-based entity, I would say NA. Compensations received, no. Okay, provide a brief description of other, no. Don't have any. All right. So primary business address, easy. Just fill it in. business phone. Okay, fax, address. Okay. Date business established. That is when you find it in your business tax return, date incorporated. Current ownership. Again, you know your business best, but usually that's the same date. Business activity. For us, it's construction contractor. Detail. Okay, number of employees. So this is tricky because usually people think of number of employee as the one that you put on payroll. But how about your subcontractor that you hire them, 1099 them to help you complete the job? You should consider them as well. So again, this is just the application you apply, and later on you might need to verify. But for now, just kind of give it an estimate. So basically, your W-2 employee plus also the subcontractor. I would say I have somewhere like around 38 people. Okay, individual owner agent. Okay, this is where the owner information coming in. So I put myself, title, owner, manager, accountant, CEO, CFO, owner, percentage of share, 75%. I'll say I'm 100%. My email, social. So that you can see it's very basic information. That's why it's so easy to do. U.S. citizen, resident. Okay. If you have additional owners, you can put it in here, your partners. Okay, let's see. Is your business owned by a business entity? So basically it's asking you if your business is owned by another business or it's owned by shareholders. So in this case, it's no for us. Next. Additional information. In the past, loan convicted criminal offense, no. Suspend, no. No. Okay. If anyone to assist you in completing this application, you can fill it out. If you pretty much fill it out by yourself, you don't need to. I give a permission. Okay. It's not applicable because you basically fill it in yourself. This is very important. You would like to be considered for an advance up to $10,000. And where to send the fund, basically you put your bank name in there, your account number, and your routing number. It's easy. You file it on your bank or just open one of the bank statements, then you can have your account number and your routing number. And then you click in here and click next. Once you click next, it basically bring it up to a review page of every information you provided. Just review them and submit them, and then we'll come up with a confirmation number. Let me get that for you. I have an example. It's basically giving you a confirmation look like this, so where you can save them, and it will, once you get approved or any updated information, you will be notified through the email you provided to the SBA application here. So I hope it helped. I think it didn't take more than, it actually took 10 minutes for me to explain it to you, but again, it should be very easy. So good luck. Thank you for watching.